Hey everyone, so welcome to Let's Find and Fix. So in this video I'm going to solve the problem of phone not the client error while downloading some courses from coursera.org using coursera-dl software. Okay, so let's dive into the video and fix the problem. Okay, so let's see why we are getting this problem. So visit coursera.org and search for the course you want to download. Here I'm searching for SEO and hit enter. So here are the bunch of courses. Yeah, now I'm going to download this one, search engine optimization, University of California. Okay, so right click, open a new tab. Okay, so let's try to download this course. So now copy the slug over here, right click and copy, and now minimize and go to download folder and launch CMD here, hit enter. Now type coursera-dl. Okay, so here is the error phone not the client error forbidden. Okay, so why we are getting this problem? Because this is a specialization course. In this specialization course there are a bunch of courses. If we go to courses, here are course 1, course 2, course 3, course 4, likewise. So to download the entire specialization course, we have to download each courses individually. So right click and open a new tab. Now to download this course, we have to copy the slug before this question mark. Okay, so right click and copy. Now let's clear the screen, CLS, and download folder and the Chrome. Okay, now run that coursera-dl command, coursera-dl, and paste the slug. Now hit enter. Now hit parsing started. Now let's wait. Yeah, here is the course has been started downloading. Yeah, so that's it, problem has been solved. Thanks for watching and do like if this helps you. Okay.